Hey, and welcome. Nathan Arnold with Keller Williams Columbia and Hurricane Builders. Here in the Shoals Landing neighborhood, we're going to take a look at the Daniel plan. The Daniel here is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, 2,059 square feet, and it's beautiful inside. Come take a look. You get the Clear System doorbell on all homes by Hurricane Builders. It's part of the overall package. We've got LVP flooring, the luxury vinyl plank throughout the downstairs level with 9-foot ceilings, that's the standard. Smooth ceilings, smooth walls. We've got tall trim here on the bottom for your shoe mold. So when you come in here, you'll see in the kitchen, we've got a nice open kitchen area. This is a 3-centimeter granite. Some of our competitors may do the 2-centimeter, a little thinner. We do the nice thick granite countertops. That way you know whenever you're cooking, lifting and moving heavy pots, you've got something that's going to last for a long time, and it just looks a little bit nicer. Here in Shoals, we have gas. So you'll see we have a gas range. We've got the 5-burner here for your stove, the stainless steel appliance packages. We've got the stainless steel microwave, and we've got a dishwasher over here by the sink. If you look at your cabinets here, again, these are going to be standard cabinets. You've got the crown molding at the top. There's a staggered feature that adds a little artistic development to the home here. And we've got the 42-inch cabinets, so they're a little bit longer than you might normally find in other neighborhoods of a comparable price point. Got your charging point here, charging port, so you can plug in a USB there, charge up a phone, charge up a laptop. If you look above us, we have ceiling speakers. You can set this up with an app on your cell phone or your laptop or your iPad so that you can play music straight through those from the day you move in. Got a half bath downstairs here. And what we're going to see, this LVP floors goes into there. We've got the elongated toilet, so a little higher quality toilet, elongated toilet, and then there's a pedestal sink in there as well. Moving into your mudroom, you see we've got a lot of space in this mudroom. Let's go check out the garage. One of the things you'll notice in this garage we're very proud of, this is a finished garage. So you'll notice the paint, you'll notice the trim, smooth walls, smooth ceiling, even have some extra lighting in here instead of just the light bulbs hanging in the garage. And we have an insulated garage door. We do full yard irrigation, so you're going to have irrigation, we use a rainbird system here in Shoals. So you have your irrigation, your front, your side, and your back yards. Very important here in South Carolina, it's very, very hot. Got your panel box here. Right over there, this is going to be your water cutoff valve. This is an important one to know in your home. Yeah, for some reason you had a leak or something in your house, no water. This is your thermostat for your Renai tankless hot water heater. Tankless water heaters mounted on the outside of the home. These are backed with the natural gas for the heating, so you get endless supply of hot water. So this is your Clear system. This is kind of your home base right here. Come on in here, you can see I'll fill up a little bit. The main thing that we do from the get-go, you'll see right above the door here, we've got the little magnets. We've got those sensors on all your external doors already set up. And then we also pre-wire for security cameras on the front and the back of the home. And here's your thermostat here. It's a digital thermostat. Raise it, lower it. Of course, that can tie in with that Clear system. Here at Shoals Landing, whenever we do have a second-story home, you'll notice we have the oak treads as a standard feature right now. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. So up here, in this coat closet, this is your structured wiring package. This is the motherboard where all your wiring is. Moving into the master bedroom here, our owner suite. You'll see we have ceiling fans that come as a standard feature in both the living room and into the owner suite. We've got a box tray ceiling with smooth ceilings. And you'll notice our windows are cased. This home has a very large walk-in owner suite closet. see, spacious. Lots of shelving, all ready to go, and a nice light in here too, so it's very well lit. Got a nice bathroom right off the owner suite here. And again, you'll see our LVP flooring come back. It's always going to be in your wet areas. So one thing I'd like to point out, we've got our comfort height right here. Sometimes you'll see that really low height for the counter. We've got a nice comfort height counter here. Dual vanity, that thick granite countertop again, the 3 centimeter, and then a nice drawer stack here. Just adding a little bit of extra value here with extra shelf. Elongated toilet, so you've got a little bit nicer, longer toilet there. It's just a higher quality of toilet. Garden tub. And you'll see how we always do the frosted glass there to make sure that you've got privacy whenever you have a garden tub. We've got our separate walk-in shower. Brushed nickel is always going to be your standard features there for the finishes. Let's go walk down the hall. Smaller of the bedrooms. Nice closet here. Instead of the fold up or what they call accordion doors, these are nice 2-panel doors. Make for a great office or work room or exercise room right off of your owner suite. Brushed nickel light fixtures. Going down the hall here, we've got a separate thermostat and a really nice hall closet right here. Very large hall bath. These are going to be secondary bedrooms. We've got a nice closet over there, similar to the other closet. Got the magnetic parts that hold it closed. Casing around the windows. We've got extremely energy efficient windows that are going to reflect a lot of the sun's heat off of here. Just one little extra way that makes your home a little more energy efficient, saving you money. And a mirror image of the same bedroom right here. One of the things you'll notice, I didn't point out the other one, we do a lot of electrical outlets. We got 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, and 2 there, so 8 electric outlets in moderately small bedrooms.